Hi everyone, this is Introduction to JCAATs, a Python-based CAATs. JCAATs involve many AI functions for you to do the data analytic, text mining and prediction. This is one of a series lessons on the topic of JCAATs. This module is to introduce text mining commands. In this lesson we are going to cover off text cloud mining. So this is probably one of the most common functions that you do data text mining. Just super useful, really great way of text mining or identifying patterns in your data. Let's just get started. We are going to start from the dataset that is a sample data in JCAATs. Make sure you check out videos 1 the module project and see what you're following along sequentially and you're able to keep pace. What I want to know is there any particular phrase appearing more frequency or more rare in a text field? It will help me realize the text data more effectively. What we're going to do is open the payments table that has been summarized and use the text cloud feature. In text cloud command interface, you should choose an analytical field. It should only permit the use of a text field. Select an analytical way from word token, term frequency or TF-IDF and confirm the shortest character in language. You can also choose whether from the dictionary that was defined or the stop words while you output. During the use of TF-IDF you can analyze by difference category. In this case we use TF-IDF. Set the character to 1. Select the language in English and choose to analyze on memo field. And we are according on support to separate different category. From the text cloud output result, there are a lot of keywords worth exploring. Depends on a keyword. You can find relevant data for further examination. From text cloud table you can choose between the importance of the keyword. See if each word of TF-IDF is descending.